Hello friends, and once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can add a jump to recipe button on your website. Now, you might be wondering that what exactly is jump to recipe button. Let me explain. Suppose you have a food blog where you post food content like how to make this recipe, how to make that recipe, and so on. You share your recipes there. For example, if I type how to make chocolate chip cookies and open any website, you will often see a section that says Jump to Recipe. When you click on that, it takes you directly to the recipe without having to scroll through the entire post or follow it to make your dish. Today, I'll teach you how to create this Jump to Recipe feature on your own blog without using any paid plugin. Most plugins for this purpose are paid. But in this video, we'll create a jump to recipe button that automatically appears on any blog post where the word recipe is used, whether in the heading or the content. This feature is super important because if a user visits to your blog and wants to quickly find your recipe, they can simply click the jump to recipe button and go straight to it. We'll cover everything today. And again, no pay plugin involved. So, let's jump into my website where I do all my YouTube blogs customization. First, if you haven't subscribed to my channel till yet, make sure to do that because I regularly post informative videos like this. I also made an informative video earlier about how to create a bookstore on your website. You should check it out. Now, on the setup, go to your website dashboard, then go to install plugin, and here click on add new plugin. Search for the plugin called WP Code. WP Code, insert header and footer plus custom code snippets. First install it and activate it. It's a free plugin with over 2 million active installations. Once this plugin installed, you will see a new option called code snippets in the dashboard. Click on add new snippet. Then add your custom code new snippet. Then choose PHP snippet. Now give it a little like add recipe button. I will provide you this PHP code in the description or comment box. So you just copy and paste the code into the snippet. This code will automatically create a jump to recipe button where the word recipe appears in a blog post. For example, in my demo post titled how to add jump to recipe button in WordPress. Let me just open it. There's no button visible yet. But once we save the snippet, the button will appear. And most important settings which you will have to do, and this is very necessary, that is set auto insert, then in location choose front end only so it appears only for site visitors, not in the backend, and we have to keep the rest of the setting as it is. Then make sure to activate it and click on save snippet. Now you'll notice the button is just a plain link at first. We want it to look like a proper button, and to customize it, again go to add snippet and then click on add your custom code. This time select CSS snippet. Title is something like button customization. After that, I used to go home and open it, then copy this code and paste it right here. Don't worry, I'll provide this link in the comment box so you can check it out from there. Then set it to auto insert, then set location, side wide footer, and save it and activate. And here, the jump to recipe button will have a proper button style, making it look neat and professional. As you can see, there is no option for recipe automation here. So, in such cases, we have to manually redirect it wherever needed. To go directly to the recipe section, we'll also need to do some settings. You need to go to the edit post section for your blog post. While editing, to move your content where your recipe is located, you have to do this setting. Inside this setting, where your recipe is mentioned, select the heading there. After that, go to the blog section and then go to the advanced section. There, you have to type recipe. As soon as you type recipe, save it. After saving, whenever we come back to the blog post, we'll simply click on view post. So, whenever you come to your blog post, the section or title related to your recipe will have been successfully created. And whenever you click on the recipe section or title, you will be redirected directly to your recipe section. So, as I had adding blog element here instead of recipe, that's why I'm able to redirect directly from here. I hope you got it well. Not just for recipe. If you want to move to any other section too, you will have to follow these same process. This method lets you add a jump to recipe button without any paid plugin, saving your money and improving your experience on your blog. If you know CSS, you can further customize the button position or style as per your theme. For reference, I'm currently using the Cadence theme. If any user coming to your blog who wants to see your recipe can just click jump to recipe and directly view it. This is exactly how you can create a jump to recipe buttons on your blog post. So, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and let me know in the comments what topic you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching this video.